morning, children. Unit 10 Matter Around Us lesson. Today, you are going to learn the topic classification of matter. You learnt in previous class. Matter has been classified into on the basis of physical state, solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Now, in this week, we can classify the matter on the basis of chemical composition. We can classify it into pure substances and mixtures, children. Pure substances classified into elements and compounds. What is an element? Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances. You learnt in previous class. For example of elements, copper, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. children. What is mean by compounds? Compounds can be broken down into elements by chemical reaction. For example, water, sugar, salt, etc. So, in this week, you are going to learn the difference between elements and compounds, children. And afterwards, that matter classified into pure substances, impure substances. Impure substances, in otherwise called as mixtures. Mixtures can be classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What is mean by homogeneous mixture? It is called as uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixtures means a non-uniform composition. For example of homogeneous mixture, sugar, water and alcohol. You can mix, we cannot find out, we cannot distinguish the substances. Heterogeneous mixture, sand plus water and water plus oil. Oil, it is floating on the water. So we can easily distinguish. So we can say that heterogeneous mixture. Most of you may be interested in music and some of you may know how it is composed. How it is music composed. Music is the combination of a few basic musical notes. What are they? Sarigama Pada Nisa. These are the building blocks of music. We can say that musical notes, building blocks of music. Likewise, all substances on earth are made up of certain simple substances that is called as elements. For example, plants, cats, apples, rocks, cars and even our bodies also contain elements. Thus, elements are the building block of all materials. Robert Boyle, a scientist, used the name element for any substance that cannot be broken down further into a simpler substances. What is an element? An element for any substance that cannot be broken down further into a simpler substances. This definition can be extended to include the fact that each element is made up of only one kind of atom. For example, aluminium is an element. It is made up of only aluminium atom. It is not possible to obtain a simpler substances chemically from the aluminium atom. But we can only make more complicated substances from the aluminium. For example, aluminium oxide, aluminium nitrate and aluminium sulfate. 118 elements are discovered. Do you know very well? So, the elements are classified into metal, metalloid, non-metal. For example, for metals, copper, chromium, gold, mercury. Metalloid example, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenate. Non-metal examples, carbon, oxygen, neon, chlorine. Compounds. When two or more elements combine chemically to form a new substance means we can say that compound. For example, cane sugar. It is made up of three elements. What are the three elements? Already you learnt in previous class. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio by mass. The chemical formula of cane sugar is C12H22O11. And next example for common salt, we can say that sodium chloride, it is a compound. It is added to give taste to our food. Sodium chloride also a compound. It is made up of a metal, sodium, that reacts violently with water, and a poisonous non-metal, chlorine. The difference between elements and compound. Element is made up of only one kind of atom. Elements made up of smallest particle that retain all its property, we can say that atom. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances. For example, for element copper, chromium, gold, mercury. So any example you can write. Compound. Compound made up of more than one kind of atom. The smallest particle that retain all its property is the molecule. Compound can be broken down into elements by chemical method. For example, sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Today you learn the topic in matter around us lesson. Matter classified into pure substances and impure substances. Pure substances once again classified into elements and compounds. You learnt about what is an element, what is a compound, what are the differences between elements and compounds, children. Thank you, children.